In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on Google Chrome browser. So to clear browsing data, click on these three dots. Now hover cursor to More Tools, and here you will find option Clear Browsing Data. And also you can access clear browsing data by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. So if you want to use shortcut, so press Ctrl Shift Delete. So you will see this page. Now click on this advanced and select time range, and select these options like browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and other options. Then click on clear. So select time range, then click on clear. And that's it. So like this we can clear browsing data on Google Chrome browser. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.